Do you want to delete a post from Instagram? You can remove posts on Instagram with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To delete a post from Instagram, first, open the Instagram app on your mobile device. Once you're on Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right. Now, you are on your Instagram profile page. Scroll through your feed and tap on the post you want to delete. You can remove any post, like a picture or video. Once the post opens, tap on the three dots icon at the top right corner of the post. A pop-up menu will appear. From here, tap on Delete. Another pop-up will ask you to confirm. Tap on Delete again. Now, the post will be permanently removed from your Instagram profile. Once a post is deleted, you can restore it within 30 days from the recently deleted section.